It would be nice if I could fly like a bird. Oh, I want to fly too. Yeah, me too. Oh, I'm so sorry for that. Buzz, you can't fly either. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yes, I can. Did you say you want to fly? Yes, we did. I think I can help you. Let's go parachuting. Bring parachutes. Yes, sir. Wow, this is so cool. Can anybody tell me why only my parachute is pink? That's because you look perfectly pink. Oh, really? Okay, then. Now wear a parachute like me. We are ready. Now we climb the tree. We do what? Oh, I'm so scared. Challenge takes courage. He is right. Together we can do it. We can do it. Let's go. Let's move. Oh, I'm so scared. I want to give up. Don't worry, Rex. We are all here with you. He is right, Rex. I'm nervous too, but I'm sure that after taking this great challenge, we can achieve something great. Courage and friendship. Let's succeed in the challenge together. Okay, I will try. Thank you for encouraging me, friends. But don't you think we are too high? Wow, finally we reached to the top of the tree. Where is Buzz? Buzz Lightyear mission log. I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger, Universe Protection Unit. I'm standing on the top of the tree to test out my wings. Today, I am going to prove that I really can fly. Okay, everyone, are you ready to jump? Yes, we are ready. On the count of 3, you jump. 1, 2, 3, jump!
To infinity and beyond!
Wow, it was great. Woody, are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. It was so amazing. I am very proud of you all. It was so fun. Rex, we made it. You did really great job. Yes, we made it. Thank you, friends. We are good friends. Buzz, you really can fly. That was not flying. That was falling with style. Now is it your turn? Try it at home and please let me know how you go by leaving a comment. And if you know how this science activity works, also leave your comments and share your science knowledge with others. I will come back with the science behind it in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye.